Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 lawn mowers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is self-propelled lawn mower. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Power source, gas-powered. Material, alloy steel. Color, orange. Style, 22-inch self-propelled. Cutting width, 21 inches. Number of positions, 7. Item number 4 is brushless electric lawn mower. Specifications. Brand name, Onebin. Power, 4000 W. Idle speed, 36,000 RPM. Expansion size, 113 to 133 centimeters. Blade, 3 types of blades. Circular blade diameter, 200 millimeters. Mowing width, 10 inches. Motor, brushless motor. Battery capacity, 22900 mAh. As the item number 3 we've selected, electric lawn mower. Specifications. Brand name, null. Model number, SSMTGCJ002. Lawn mower power, 1880W. Battery output voltage, 21 V. Charging input voltage, 110 to 250 V. Charger plug type, EU. Battery capacity, 2 Ah, 4 Ah, 6 Ah. Motor type, pure copper motor. Motor speed, 30,000 RPM. Applicable type, household use. Item number 2 is 7-inch cordless electric lawn mower. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Power, 1500 W. Telescopic range, 100 to 135 centimeters. Speed, 12,000 RPM. Blades, 3 types of blades. Round metal blade diameter, 125 millimeters. Plastic blade, suitable for lawn mowing. Material, aluminum tube plus ABS engineering plastic. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, cordless lawn mower. Specifications. Brand name, Kakyoin. Motor type, brushless. Type, professional mowers. Power type, electricity. Feature, anti-slip, cordless, high torque, telescopic handle. Cutting width, 8-9 inch. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.